Welcome to week 5 of the 7-part series, 7 Weeks to Your Next Legal Nurse Consultant Job. In week 1, you made a commitment to you and set your intention to take action every day to obtain your next case. In week 2, you developed your marketing plan. In week 3, you staged yourself for success by preparing your promotional package and by developing your pool of CL&C subcontractors. In week 4, you networked with a minimum of 2 people every day, followed up with each lead received. And you wore those CL&C t-shirts everywhere to engage total strangers about what you do as a certified legal nurse consultant. This week, you're going to tap into one of the most powerful networking platforms in existence, one that you're probably already spending substantial time on: social media. Your assignment this week, if you choose to accept it, is to first announce your occupation as a certified legal nurse consultant, both on your Facebook page and your LinkedIn profile. You want to request help from your friends and your contacts. For example, in Facebook, you might say, "I'm now using my 10 years of nursing experience to consult with attorneys on medical cases. If you know an attorney or legal professional, please message me their contact information and any other pertinent information about them. Thanks for your help." You want to follow up with all leads provided. If you don't yet have a Facebook page or a LinkedIn profile, this week is time to get one. Second, as to social media, be active on Vicki Milazzo Institute's Facebook page. We have thousands of friends, and our friends can be your friends, and they can lead you to attorney clients and also to CL&C subcontracting jobs. Go ahead, comment on my legal nurse consulting blogs, share your expertise, show that you're an expert, and if you're seeking CL&C subcontractors, go ahead and request for those there. We love for you to interact with each other on our page. Whenever you're on social media, when you do respond to a post, do so specifically. Too many times I've seen people post something like, "I'm available." That's not a USP, that's just nervous fingers. Instead, here's an example of a USP. I've got 15 years of high-risk OB experience that can apply specifically to your OB issue. That's more like it. So there you have it, your assignment for this week. First, announce your occupation as a certified legal nurse consultant on Facebook and LinkedIn and request help from those friends and contacts. Second, be active on Vicki Milazzo Institute's Facebook page. Third, update your marketing plan to include these social media strategies. The average user has hundreds of friends on Facebook and hundreds of contacts on LinkedIn. This means that every one of your friends and contacts has the potential for viral communication about your legal nurse consulting business. If you're like most people today, you and your friends spend substantial time on social media, so you want to take advantage of it. And by the way, instead of posting recipes or photos of your pets, why not use that time effectively to obtain your next legal nurse consulting job? Let people know who you are and what you do with these attorneys. I cannot wait to hear all about your success using social media. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next for part 6 of this series. Until then, know that success is yours, and I'm with you every step of the way.